Yeah.
I won't burn unless you're there.
Man, we're in that time of season. I'm gonna give you guys the shopping guides on some of my favorite clothing, right? So right here today, we're talking about the Nike Tech Fleece and basically the sizing. Most of you guys should have a Nike where you can just go try it on. But for those of you that don't, or maybe you see a sale online and you're looking to buy something, hopefully this video helps you out. So right here, I have the full suit in heather gray. The boy's always been wanting a grout fit, figured now is the perfect time. At the time of shooting this video, you can get these on sale at Nike.com and a few other places, so I'll put the links down below. But let's go ahead and start off with this hoodie. One of the nice things that Nike has offered in recent years, and you know, they could have been done this, but it's just one thing I noticed. If you're taller, like 6'3" and above, and you're looking for like tall versions, Nike provides that, but they always seem to be sold out. I'm 6'3", but I ended up just going with the regular. I feel like if you're any taller than 6'3", it makes sense to go for the tall version if you can. Now for this jacket, just for my dimensions, 6'3", I weigh about 200 pounds, and I ended up going with the large. For the most part, man, you typically want to go with more of like the athleisure style. If you want it to fit baggier, definitely just go a size up. Like I could wear an XL, no problem. But like I said, I wanted this to be fitted. This is more something I'm gonna wear on like casual cold days or whenever I wanna wear this to the gym, but realistically, I probably won't be wearing this to the gym. Zip it all the way up. And this is how it's gonna fit. More of like the snug fit. If you got some biceps, my boy, gonna be popping out. I ain't nothing crazy, but you know, it just fits really nice to the body, pretty much how sportswear should fit. And the gray just looks super clean. We even have like this zipper on the side for, you know, keys or wallet, wanna keep some cards if you're gonna go running. But overall, just a really nice jacket. If you guys didn't know, most of the Tech Fleece, it's really stretchy. Another thing that's vital to a lot of people is the sleeve length. I have a pretty long wingspan and you can see that it fits perfect. I just gotta shout out these hangers right here. You have like limited space in your closet, definitely pick these up, man. I'll link them down below in the description. They basically let you stack your pants and then just hang them up, like super fire. Very convenient. A little hack for y'all. So here's what the pants look like on. These are also a large. I will say, man, through all my experience of having I've had a lot of Nike Tech, and for sure do not dry it because it will shrink. And it's honestly like the worst thing to possibly happen. Let's just pull out these random fours. So the large, again, fits more of like the athletic fit. It's kind of funny because I usually wear like oversized pants now, and it just makes me realize like my legs are really skinny. We need to hit the gym, bro. 2 times a week, build them tree trunks. But they sit perfect. I don't typically wear joggers too often these days, but I mean, a lot of people still like this aesthetic and it does look good. My waist is a 34, but I mean, it is stretchy, so that's kind of irrelevant. I would just go true to size on both the hoodie and the pants. And if you want them to fit bigger, just size up and you'll be solid. And I will say, man, these pants are goated. I love having all the different zipper pockets. Just because, man, I hate when I got like my wallet and my phone, and as soon as you sit in the car, they fall out of your pockets, or you sit anywhere. It triggers me, man. It triggers me. And there you guys have it. If you have any questions, you know, just drop them down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. If you guys would like to see any other sizing or shopping guides, go ahead and drop your favorite brand down below and maybe I'll pick up some pieces. Or I might actually have some in my closet. This is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it.
Hands in the air now. Sneaker life. Hey, 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 hey. A sneaker life.